Unit 731 was a secret research center located in the Pingfang district, China. It was set up by the Imperial Japanese Army during the Second Sino-Japanese War of World War II. Unit 731 was used to research biological and chemical weapons and to study the effects of disease on humans. The base was top secret. Doctors that worked at the facility would be driven into the compound under camouflage trucks, with license plates being switched on every trip. To the public, it was called Epidemic Prevention and Water Supply Unit of the Qingtong Army. Under the command of General Shiro Ishii, a microbiologist who studied medicine at Japan's prestigious Kyoto Imperial University, Unit 731 was the epicenter of some of the worst atrocities carried out by man. The experiments carried out here included vivisection was performed on living humans without the use of painkillers. The researchers believed if the subject was dead, then it wouldn't give accurate results. These tests were conducted on men, women, children, infants, and even pregnant women. These women were normally raped and impregnated by the researchers. Arms and legs would be amputated to study blood loss. Limbs that were amputated would be reattached to opposite sides of the body. Limbs would be frozen and then allowed to thaw out to study gangrene and rotten flesh. When the researchers froze limbs, they would check if it was frozen enough by hitting the limb with a cane. If the noise was the same as hitting concrete, then the subject's limb was ready to thaw. Stomachs were removed when the subject was alive. Horse urine and other substances were injected into the kidneys. Subjects were hung upside down and timed to see how long it took for them to die. Subjects were exposed to lethal dosage of radiation, and probably the least jeffed up method was studying how subjects reacted when starved. In 1945, when the Japanese surrendered, World War II was over. The researchers didn't get tried for war crimes, instead were given immunity by the United States in exchange for the data collected from the experiments and integrated in the US's collection of biological warfare knowledge. 3,000 people were estimated to have died, with 70% being ethnic Chinese. Victims' eyewitness accounts were either ignored or passed off as communist propaganda. Unit 731, alongside the Holocaust, is a constant reminder that human behaviour can be good and terrifying.